A piece of cinematic history is coming back to life in Saline County. An old bridge made famous in the movie Sling Blade is in the final stages of being reassembled and placed back where it belongs. Channel 7's Ashley Lunningham has the update.
Well, the Old River Bridge restoration project is a long time in the making, but we're seeing the final stretch today with the first half of the bridge back where it belongs.
It's history in the making, a restoration project that started back in 2018, giving new life to the Old River Bridge.
We've got the oldest bridge in Arkansas in its original location, with one of the first truss spans going back into place. Then in 2021, we shipped it off to Michigan to get refurbished, and then last year we started phase 3, which is the reassembly and reconstruction of the bridge.
The bridge was first built back in 1889, going from that to what it looked like a few years ago, and finally ready to go back up. Not only is the bridge historic, but Trevor Valines with Saline County says it's famous.
Sling Blade was filmed right here on this bridge. Billy Bob Thornton, there's a shot of him in the movie actually standing on the bridge and walking up to it.
The bridge had been out of commission since the 70s. Valines says former Benton Mayor Lynn Moore started the process for the restoration project back in the early 2000s. Not only will it be a preserved piece of history, but it will also be a part of the Southwest Trail, a 50-mile bike trail expected to connect Little Rock to Hot Springs, something residents and visitors can enjoy.
This bridge will allow cyclists and runners and walkers to continue on the Southwest Trail right over the Saline River. This is going to be a huge tourism area. We're going to have a trailhead, a boat ramp. We've got all kinds of plans to redevelop this area, and of course with the bridge itself.
In Saline County, on your side, I'm Ashley Lunningham.
Ashley, thanks a lot. And Valines says the next steps will be to reassemble the second truss span. After that, they'll place the remainder of the walkway on the bridge, and they expect to open up the bridge for residents to use sometime this year.